In 1925, a con man sold the Eiffel Tower twice. Victor Lustig was the master of impossible schemes, but this one was his masterpiece. He created fake government credentials, posed as a French official, then sent letters to 5 wealthy scrap metal dealers. The meeting was set at the luxurious Hôtel de Crillon. Lustig told them the government had a secret problem. The Eiffel Tower was a maintenance nightmare, too expensive to keep. They needed to sell it for scrap metal. Quietly, André Poisson took the bait. He paid Lustig 250,000 francs for the tower. Lustig vanished to Austria with the money. But here's the crazy part. Months later, he returned to Paris and pulled the exact same con on another dealer. Neither victim reported the fraud. They were too embarrassed. Lustig was never caught for selling the Eiffel Tower. Years later, he was finally arrested for counterfeiting money. The man who sold the most famous landmark in the world twice and got away with it.